Hello everyone, I'm Kalyani, the principal designer of Akarigari. Today we are going to talk about very interesting project we did in Ahmednagar. So the site is located in Kedgaon, Ahmednagar. The location of the site is in very crowded area. The footfall here is frequent. So the client came to us with a weird design idea. Basically, he wants to have a design style, Egyptian style. So after sitting with him, client wants to design jewelry shop. 460 square feet is the carpet area. So the client requirement was he wants to design the luxurious showroom with the bridal section separately, locker room separately, everything he wants according to the Vastu. So we sat down and we noted every requirements, and according to that we planned our jewelry shop. So this is the plan we have designed. So length is 24 feet and the breadth is 20 feet. So the main entry of the shop is from south side. As soon as you enter inside the shop, here is the waiting area, and behind the waiting area we have the TV panel. Beside the TV panel we have the display of bridal jewelry, which is the west side of the wall. We have kept the bridal jewelry display. So the counter is on the west side. As soon as you come towards the north side, we have the display of silver. According to the Vastu, according to the Vastu and client requirement, he wants all the silver jewelry display on the west side. So we have kept the mirror and silver jewelry on the west side. So northwest side we have kept the water tank. So according to the Vastu, water tank should be in the northwest side. So the client requirement was that he doesn't want any storage kind of thing. So the northwest side is the water. On north wall we have kept the silver display. So as soon as you come towards northeast side, we have inverter room, inverter and DP. We have kept this side. This side is the inverter room, and the connection of all the DP is in this. As soon as you come towards east side wall, we have planned jewelry locker room is at this side. So whole construction is in RCC as for the safety purpose, and inside that we have given all the storage things. East wall we have kept all hanging jewelry. The whole plan was planned according to the Vastu. This was the most important part of the project, we sat down with the client, discussed on project timeline, project cost, what material he wants to use. We have a mood board sampling everything on site. We discussed on the material, how much the project will cost, and what will be the timeline. So now we are going to discuss in detail about the east wall. So this is the elevation of east wall. So now we are going to discuss about west side wall. So here we have a waiting area, display of bridal collection. So now we can discuss on the wall, west side wall elevation. So as soon as you enter inside the shop, here is the waiting area, and here is the display of all the bridal collection. So we have designed in such a way that adding a mirror so that the customer can have a look inside this. We have created a mirror in such a in a pattern form. So here is the collection of bridal jewelry display. So we have created in the box pattern form. So the pattern is created in such a way that it has a box like structure. And on this side we have kept similar as the east side elevation. So unique collection for the display. So this is how we planned the whole project. We really had a fun while doing this project, and it was one of the most interesting jewelry shop project we have done. And the whole timeline for this project was 5 months, and this project costed the project cost was 20 lakhs, and we really had a fun while doing this project. So the material we used in this project is laminates, mirror laminate, Korean. We have used a Korean for the display area, silver counter, gold display counter, And for the counter outer part, we have used the mirror laminate with the CNC jali cutting for this. And mostly the ceiling we have designed, like as a client requirement was, he wants some Egyptian style, so we have designed, like we tried to keep the Egyptian style design in mind, and according to that we have given the modern touch to the interior project. So you can see the little detailing on the locker area, the motifs we have done in MDF. For the ceiling, we have done the golden line, which represents some of the Egyptian style. So we have tried to give the modern plus Egyptian look to this project.